can't even stop as someone weak as you. That's gonna be disappointing to me. I'll never join the Royal Guard, and my friend Kwame was saying, Signet, I'll be your friend. No, that's not how you make friends. I already know the direction to the surface. Just give him the Edison tea. Oh wait, no, Asker likes golden flower tea. Here are some of the characters I'll introduce you to. This is Monster Kid. And that's Sauce. Here, I'll show you where the tutu is. It's right here. Let's learn about the tutu. I just realized I haven't even pressed do the save file yet. He's still not online. Thing is about Monster Kid, he's a fan of Undyne. He wants to be just like her when he grows up. Feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. To pick up these bridge seeds, they're called bridge seeds, you press enter. And you press F4 to go full screen. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number secretly until I got yours. He's son still isn't online. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she wore a faded ribbon. Is that true? Yes.